pictures.
Beach. See the beach?
The beach?
The beach.
Beach?
Sawyer.
Beach?
Yeah, let me see.
We still gotta drop out half the hotel.
Under the pussy. The sand.
See the beach? Well, you unbuckling them?
La la la.
What a gorgeous day it is here in Destin. The local time is just before 7:30. For your kids' safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and ensure all carry-on items remain securely stowed out of the aisle. Once the cabin has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, it will be safe to move across the cabin and gather your belongings. Please use caution though when you're opening those overhead bins. Items do tend